Hello, welcome back to our listening class. How are you all today? Long, please. Okay, sound good. And it seems that you have a good day, right? And we have all learned about our dictation skill in order to improve our listening skill. And today, I would like to introduce you and like and tasks that you would face in many listening tests, which name gut feel. First, I would like to ask you some question. In listening class, have you ever faced to these questions? Like I get up at like or I go to by bus and she usually has the breakfast before blah blah blah. And how did you know the answer? How did you know the answer? Ngân, please. Hmm. You listen and you find out the keyword and then you detect this. Hmm. That would be really useful. Đức, how about you? Hmm. You guess the type of information. Oh, okay. So, what kind, and looking at these questions, and what kind of information is missing in the first question? No, I don't need the exact answer. I just need your type of information. Okay. In the first question, you need the time because I get up at means it requires a time. Okay. Next sentence. I go to blah 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 by bus. Me, please. Okay, go to something. Okay, something here means you need a place. Also, it a noun. Okay, okay, that's good. That's and the last one. She usually has breakfast before. Yes, we need a time. So in this in this type of information, we need to listen and we fill the blank with words or number. Okay, so considering our objectives today, and after this class, I would provide you some technique to first to identify the keywords before listening, as you mentioned before, right? As you have mentioned, as as you have mentioned that you need a guess the type of information, and by guess the type of information you can identify our keywords before listening. The next is predicted type of missing information. Thus, I have mentioned previously, mm, we have we have many things like nouns, adverb, verbs, and attractive preposition. And today I would introduce you how to combine, how you can predict the type of missing information by looking at the mm, following or the former words of the missing information. And finally, you can complete the task with 60 percent to or more accuracy. It means that in 10 questions of IELTS exam, you can certificate IELTS exams, you can finish about six to or more in the section one of listening test. So before going to the class, and I would like to ask more about question that have any of you learned this lesson? Hmm? Long, please. Long, Nhi. Okay, so the two of you have knowledge, have learned about this topic, and can you share how you'll tackle this type of questions? Yes. Okay. Hmm. You use all the strategies that have been mentioned in our objective, right? So, okay, let's get started.